Assalamu alaikum. So today's video we review the SK Watch 2. You want to see full unboxing, so link in description, you go and watch. Today's video we only review this watch. This watch is very interesting watch. You see this have a fully big touch display, and here's decent camera. Here's speaker, mic, charging port and button. So this watch is fully Android and smart watch. You see the interface of this watch is very interesting. The price of this watch is very interesting. Exact price in description, you go and see. Okay, so this watch is very interesting watch. You see the quality of this watch, the band quality is very good, and plastic back and metal sides and glass front. It's have a pre-applied paper, and this is very interesting watch. You see, so I like it watch very much. It have three watch faces. You see 1, 2 and 3. Starting watch face is this, and here interface of this watch. You see it's completely Android watch. 1 SIM and memory card spotted. Okay, so you like this watch, so like this video and comment in this video, and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.